Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is Thursday. It's March 14, 2024. Right now it's 9:30 p.m. So first, let's look at the market movement. So last night, market moved pretty strong, and it seems like it want to kind of make a new high, and from future perspective, it make a new high, but that's not enough. So when it get to the the news release, which is at 8:30. So which is at 8:30, and let's take a look. Make it kind of, let's zoom in here. So at 8:30, so market kind of come back down. So despite it's so bullish, it came back down, and just to kind of around this 52.42 level, which is corresponding to this 50 what's that level? 51.75 level, and after that, it seems like some action here is it's not very intense. It seems like compared to some other days, this is much calmer, and I guess that could be taken as a sign of like losing the energy, and at the open it came back kind of below this level, which is corresponding to 51.75, and as we can see here, so market open around this area. However, it was not to go any higher than that, and it got flushed down pretty quickly and pretty fast, and also very far. It went back all the way down to 51.40, actually below that, and then only to see it kind of bounce back really hard and kick it back to 51.60. Then pretty much that's the kind of top here, and which is right outside of this closing zone, and market pretty much spent the day kind of underneath it, and it kind of when looking back, it's a kind of drifting down, and it here is a mega low at 51.32. That's like after around like a 1:30, and market have a huge pullback here, and it seems like it want to go above here, but it was not able to, and only that move seems like invited another kind of a more selling here and push it all the way down to 51.23. Now this is a really violent. So that's already at what, like this time at 3:30. After 3:30, and see like a huge kind of it seems like lots of buying pressure come in and push the market all the way back up to 51.50. So that's like a more than 25 points kind of push, literally within that the less than 30 minutes window. really crazy. So market really can do lots of things that I think are out of our like expectation. I guess emotionally, I guess I'm not sure how many people could kind of get back in sync with the market and turn around and go along with the market like this. It's crazy. And but that's kind of like the probably the miracle part of the market. Now 51.15, what does that mean? Of course, looking at the number is like a right kind of the middle of 5200 and 5100, right? And meanwhile, actually, if we look at this, look at today, it actually this is the middle level of the high and low. So to me, is this is market is posting another questions to the market and participants where to go from here. I'm in the middle here, and will I be going back up here or continue going down here? So it could be tomorrow could be another crazy day, and it's also Friday, and also it's also triple witching day, and so it could be choppy and probably could be all over the places. I would think that it could, to me, it could kind of pretty much could move like a 50 points. So if I continue to follow what I lay out here, if it can go above 51.60, it could possibly go crazy, going to make a new high and probably touching 5200. On the other hand, if it kind of stay below this 51.45, then yeah, it's probably could cause a lot of pain here. Could going down to 5100. So we'll see. To me, I think the market could very likely kind of move like a 50 points. So if say come back down here and move back up a little bit here to 51.60, then it could still touch this 51.10 and even 5100, and vice versa here. So if it open up, come back, touch this 51.45, and it could kind of move up and get to this 5200. So being probably a bit conservative, let's say that 51.90. So I guess it could be this zone or this zone, 51.10 or 51.90. It would be interesting. So future has opened and running for a while already, for a couple of hours already, and what it had demonstrated so far is likely it will be coming down to below, because this one, it seems like market could easily kind of broke down below this zone, and so I guess I already poke along and found the soft spots here, and this is not a touch. It's actually was able to kind of came down here for quite some time actually. This is a 5 minutes chart. So we'll see. Now, changing over to the economic calendar. So tomorrow, Friday, is so it's 8:30, starting 8:30 again. There's another quite some like the pricing informations, import export, also manufacturing index, and then 9:15 there's another batch. That's like an industrial production capacity utilization. So, and then 10 o'clock would be consumer sentiment, and also what this inflation expectation as well. So for sure, all these reports looks pretty kind of important, and market likely kind of fluctuate a lot. Kind of we have big move. I should not say fluctuate, but likely make a big move at around this those timing. And then 12 o'clock there's a no par crush report, and later I look it up. I'm curious what is this, and this is actually the National Oilseed Processor Association crush report. It contains data from the 13 members companies that accounted for approximately 94% of the U.S. soybean crush. So, probably not going to. I don't think it's going to matter to the SP 500 index, but we never know. Just a timing deal, I would say. And then, as usual, 1 o'clock, there's a big, huge oil rig count. That's it. I guess after 10 o'clock, it should be probably more like, at least it would be much less eventful. So, and yeah, just be careful. So this week actually is triple witching week, and tomorrow is triple witching day, and for sure there are lots of movement, and I guess that's why all these movement kind of such kind of crazy. And tomorrow probably not going to be different either. And so wish you all the best luck, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.